In this video, I will show you how to add festivals to the Samsung Calendar. First, open the Samsung Calendar app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen and scroll down. Under your Google account, check if there is an option labeled Holidays. After that, scroll down further and tap on Sync Now to refresh your calendar and ensure that all available festival data is updated. If you do not see an option for holidays or festivals, close the Samsung Calendar app and open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Google Calendar, tap the first link, and on this page, tap on the desktop option at the bottom of your screen. Now, zoom in on the left side of the screen where you will see an Other Calendars section. Tap on the plus icon in front of it and select Browse Calendars of Interest. Here, you will see a list of available holiday calendars for different countries. Select the countries of which you want to add festivals of. Other than that, if you also want to add religious festivals, you can select your desired religion from here. Once you have selected the desired options, return to your Samsung Calendar app, tap on the menu icon, scroll down and select Sync Now. After a few moments, you will be able to see Holidays option appear. Now, if you take a look to your calendar, you will see all the festivals of the preferences you selected. And this is how you can add festivals to your Samsung Calendar.